Center for Product Design, Development and Additive Manufacturing, Osmania University, Hyderabad. First of all, I would like to thank Union Education Minister Sri Ramesh Pokhriyal, Chairman AICTE, Professor N.D. Sastrabuddhi, Vice Chairman, Dr. M.P. Punia, Member Secretary Professor Rajiv Kumar, AICTE Training and Learning Atal Academy, Cell Director Dr. R.K. Soni, Assistant Director Dr. Kirdal Lalgar, and all coordinators for getting to be registered in Genius Book of World Record successfully by conducting more than 1,000 FTPs in 100 emerging areas and training about 1 lakh faculty members in 2021 across premier institutions like NIT, IIT and IITs. It was a very great achievement.
Now I request Dr. C.V. Narasimhulu sir, Principal of Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology, onto the dais. Now I request Dr. Syed Adam Pashi Kadri sir, Institute of Mechanical Engineering, Vice Principal of Administration, onto the dais. Now I request Dr. Rajeshri Ora ma'am, Vice Principal of Academics of Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology, onto the dais. Now I request Dr. Syed Navadish Mehdi sir, onto the dais. Now may I request Dr. Shivaprasad sir, onto the dais. May I now request Dr. Asadullah sir, onto the dais. Now I request Dr. Shashikiran sir, Dean of Academics, Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology, onto the dais. Now may I request Dr. Sheikh Shavali sir, CSHOD sir of Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology, onto the dais. Now I request Dr. Nagaraju sir, HOD of IT department, onto the dais. Now may I request Mr. Syed Aslam sir, onto the dais. Now I request Mr. Suman sir from Department of Mechanical Engineering, onto the dais. Now may I request Dr. Anis sir, onto the dais. Now may I request Dr. Santosh Kumar sir, onto the dais.
Growing research field which is beneficial for all the participants, and as the earlier speaker has said, that we as teachers of engineering should upgrade our knowledge day by day so that the students are benefited by our lectures. Now regarding our college, this is one of the best well-equipped colleges with all the latest facilities and highly qualified staff and highly devoted management, which always encourage not only the students but the staff for increasing their knowledge by day, and they are very cooperative in these types of training programs. Now earlier also we have conducted many such training programs for the staff and have received excellent feedback, and I am very confident that this time also this FDP on a very useful topic will also be of great success with the cooperation of you all. I wish you all the best, and I am again confident that you will be benefited by the expert lectures given by the resource persons from universities and industries, research centers, etc. Now, my humble request to all the participants is, we look forward for your active participation and punctuality, so that it enriches your knowledge and makes our efforts successful. Please be alert with the sessions and clear your doubts only after the end of the lecture. Hence, you can maintain discipline in this 1 week. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Stay safe.
Very good morning to all of you. Respected executives, principals, vice principals, head of the department, team, and my dear participants. So, on the behalf of management, principals, and staff members of Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad, invite you to this inaugural session of our 1 week FDP on 2020-2027. So, Industry 4.0 is the talk of these years, in which additive manufacturing plays vital role in producing cost-efficient, low-volume production. Particularly, this additive manufacturing was introduced to have the cost efficiency in low-volume production industry. And this additive manufacturing exhibits customer-oriented product production in a production line. So this additive manufacturing only has created a new space for 3D printing, which has already proved itself as a regular production process in various industries like automotive industry, defense sector, and in aerospace industry, customer goods, industrial oriented goods, and even in medical things and dental things also. It is finding enormous application nowadays. Of course, the 3D printing has already proven as a regular manufacturing process in most of the production settings. So at this juncture, definitely this 1 week faculty development program on 3D printing and design is a right topic to discuss so that the participants will be definitely gain advantage of this particular activity. So in this 1 week FDP, definitely the participants will have more and more inputs, as our coordinators have made maximum effort to invite various experts who are having the complete knowledge about this 3D printing and its application. So definitely all the participants will have valuable inputs on this 3D printing technology. Expecting your active participation and discussion and make this particular program a grand success. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for encouraging words. Now, may I request Dr.
to address the gathering.
My first year in 1992-93, then we were taken to a workshop and a factory known as Antonov. I hope everybody has heard about Antonov. The Han 220. So when we hear about it, it's the biggest aircraft in the span of a football field. So those days, we usually will talk about the removal of materials, and all the manufacturing processes will be understood as removing materials. But this additive manufacturing has changed the thinking. We had some workshop on reverse engineering and rapid prototype. But that time, it was difficult to imagine that after 25 years, there will be a time when we will have a look into the nature by 3D. Mimicry is followed by engineering from long time. And it is very difficult for us to realize how come
small materials with a great strength. We call it in engineering strength to weight ratio. Whether you build an aircraft, you build a car, you build a building, you always want a strong material with light weight. So that strength to weight ratio can be seen in nature. We have a very small thin flies flying, but we are not able to produce that thing. Maybe we have graphite, from 2D we are moving to 3D, and we have some type of patterns taken from the nature. So I suggest all my friends, this is a very good chance with experts like Principal Sir, our HOD Sir with the thermal background, our Mehendi Sir with the thermal background. We have a great exposure in big turbo machinery and big tunnels. We have Dr. Shiva with a great exposure in additive manufacturing, and we have Aslam Sir with a great exposure in fuel cells. When we have these many experts in the department, I myself from mechanical and aerospace engineering have got a chance to work in Boeing 737, 300, 500, have worked in Antonov, have worked in Illusion. So this concept was not in front of me, or Madhav ke saath kehta hu sir, in 3D printing, I just know it's the future concept. This is not my field, but it's very interesting. When we see the nature, when we see things around the nature, we really feel it. How can we get that type of patterns? So nature gives you ideas, thoughts, and if you are friendly with the nature, if you respect our nature, believe me, you will get good ideas, and we can understand this futuristic concept in a better way. Thank you very much, and I am very pleased to have this type of workshop in our Lord's College of Engineering, and I hope in future again we will have the continuation of this workshop. One thing I want to add, I have been to some different countries and I have seen in a single day we have some 10 workshops going on. They don't want masks. They want the workshop. It might be 10 candidates. We have big gatherings, online and offline. They just want some 10 candidates and all other will be uploaded online. But the programs will not be post-funded or pre-funded. So I suggest we can, each of us can have workshops and we can show the strength what mechanical engineering can do for.
I thank Dr. Muhammad Asadullah sir for sharing his experience. Now, may I request Dr. Syed Azam Pasha Qadri sir, HOD of Mechanical Engineering Department and Vice Principal of Administration, Lord's Institute of Engineering Technology, to address the gathering.
Good morning to one and all. Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais online. I myself, Dr. Syed Azam Pasha Qadri, head of the department and vice principal of Lord's warmly welcome all the resource persons and the participants in the printing and design everything program. The aim of this 3D printing and design to know as we know that the technology is changing day by day. If I think about 2 to 3 years back, there is no such concept. 3D printing is used for playing the toy for this baby, and the concept has developed within no time. The industry has grown like anything. It rose from, according to the survey, it shows that 57% it is used earlier. Now it increases to 57% of the 3D printing. Now it has extension not only in the toys, now it comes into the different applications in the field of medical, in the field of engineering, in the field of mechanical, in the field of civil engineering, in the field of electrical engineering, and what more, in the field of automobiles it has entered. Now, in coming future, we can see that all things become for a complicated equipment or the parts for manufacturing, casting or forging is quite difficult compared to that of the. Now, as introduced in this particular 3D printing, coming to this 3D printing, difficult shapes can be easily manufactured with, as Asatullah said, he gets to strength ratio, also maintaining very good. So, in coming days, we can see that a huge requirement in this particular area we can be able to see. So, I request all the participants, please actively participate in this particular FDP program and try to explore each, and because we are having more than 15 sessions and 12 resource persons where from the various biomedical, medical, engineering, all the resource persons are there. They will explore and they will show the case studies, because these case studies are very much important. If you see the last year case studies are very less, now every year the case studies are increasing, which shows that the drastically 3D printing is technology is increasing. By the study of this case study, we come to know that every year the case studies are increasing drastically. The 3D technology is increasing. In future, so I request all the participants to actively involve in all these FDP sessions. Thank you. Once again, thank the Lord.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, may I request Dr. Srinivasulu, sir, Principal of Laws, Institute of Engineering and Technology, to address the gathering.
Good morning. Next department, faculty, participants of today's Atal Learning. At the outset, let me congratulate all the participants for being selected to attend this program. The principal, it is customary to tell about the college, not Institute of Engineering and Technology was established in 2003, and it is accredited by NAAC with A grade, and it is affiliated to Osmania University, and all eligible programs, mechanical, computer science engineering, ECE are accredited by MBA, and we are empaneled in the UGC FUEF list. I appreciate the mechanical department for taking initiation in applying the 3D printing emerging area to Atal program. And I am happy that they have successfully got this program. And we all know that they will be confident to improve the faculty teaching and learning skills through various schemes. Atal is also one of the schemes of AICTE. Atal, A stands for AICTE, T, Training, A and Learning. AICTE, Training and Learning Program, Academy. Just under an academy, Atal. AICTE, Training and Learning Academy. This was floated 24th September 2018 in Jaipur. MHRD has floated this Atal Academies at a time in 4 places in India: Jaipur, Vadodara, Dhaudi and Trivandrum. Later, September 19, 2019, MHRD Minister has launched another 11 centers in India, includes Hyderabad also, Telangana. So now total there are 4 plus 11, 15 other centers are there in India. So the idea behind the government is to improve the teaching learning process of the faculty, to improve the quality teaching, particularly the Atal program. There is a difference between the normal FDP schemes and Atal schemes. Atal scheme is sanctioned only for 9 trust areas. 3D printing technology is one of the 9. Artificial intelligence, cyber security, Internet of Things, blockchain technology, and virtual reality, among all these 9. One of them. In these areas, any AICTE approved institution can apply. We can also start our own Atal Center. Atal Center will have the collaboration with them so that we can have our own data bank of experts. These are the various features of Atal program. And as you all know that members have explained about the 3D technology. So nowadays it is gaining a lot of importance for 3D technology. I hope all the participants will make use of this facility. And I just came to know through Adult Department, they have found about 15 experts from various, including abroad. Some experts are also giving you their talks from abroad, including Malaysia and India, NITs, IITs, and Osmania University. Experts are being taught. I really appreciate the mechanical department for actively conducting this program. I also thank our management. Just now, our Vice Chairman for also graced the occasion. I really thank management for providing us the excellent infrastructure to conduct these kind of programs. I thank one and all for making this program grand. Next.
Thank you so much for wonderful words. Now may I request
Sir, Vice Chairman of Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology, to address the gathering.
Very good morning to everyone who joined us online today. A very warm welcome to the event on 3D printing in association with Osmania University and AICTE. I think we should thank the AICTE for selecting our organization, our institution, and granting us this opportunity to conduct this event. I also thank all the guest speakers who were agreed to come forward and share their expertise on this topic. So, we are really thankful for that. And also I thank the participants who have come forward and registered for this. I would like to say that as an institution, we are an NTA accredited institution and an ACT A-grade accredited institution. We have been accredited 3 times already by NDA for different courses. We've been selected by AICTE in the past for other programs as well, and this program that we've been selected on 3D printing is being done in collaboration with Osmania. I really hope that you people enjoy this the whole session, 5 days of program that was planned, and you all have a very fruitful experience. And I welcome you all once this whole COVID issue is resolved. I welcome you all to the organization to come visit us, hear us, and guide us in taking things forward and giving a much better, providing a much better learning experience to all the stakeholders. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your encouragement words. Over to you.
I would like to thank all reputed members of this inaugural session for giving their valuable and precious time in their busy schedule. I also thank all the participants to be a part of this inaugural session. Now, we take a break and get back by 11:40 for listening first session of this FPV by Dr. Ravi Kumar on the topic Applications of 3D Printing in Aviation Industry with Case Study. Thanks.